Okay, I think I found a new method of recording. So I went and cleaned this up a lot, and I put chapters in order. I've done a lot based upon your syllabus and then what I had already seen you do in chapter 1 and 4. So bear with me, and if something isn't correct, let me know and I can help. But I think this will help us figure out what needs to happen. I'm actually going to move this research tools folder because I see you've hidden everything in it. So what I figured out was that you had um, anything in the chapters coming up, you hid everything except for the ebook, the homework, and the problem set. Or you didn't hide it, but you put unlocked on December 15th. My assumption is that you wanted those things hidden then. So I hid all of the extra problems, or I think there were some video tutorials and study guide, whatnot, folders within each one. So in every chapter, I went through and hid those because I was assuming that that was your intention because they were essentially not unlocked until December 15th in the chapters that are coming up. So I assume you wanted them not to show. So I've hidden them completely. If you wanted to see what I've hidden, you can actually click here and it shows everything I've hidden. So that was the first thing that I did. The second thing, let's see. I also noticed that some of the other chapters that were further off, you also had everything marked as December 15th. My assumption is because you haven't worked on those yet. So I have it very uniform now, where every chapter is going to have the ebook that I believe from looking at the first chapter, I have you the ebook that is due the week before the homework. The homework and the practice problems both open 2 weeks prior to the due dates. So I have the same uniform pattern in all of the chapters. A couple other things. Let's see. I changed the names of the parts because what I also did was I reordered the chapters so that they come in order of how you have them on your syllabus. Let's see. Oops, 13 and 8. Oh, I need to move 8. It looks like 8 is not moved, but this will essentially, let's see, be done in order of your syllabus. So let's see, 6, 13, 4. So I need to move chapter 7 and 8, which I'm going to go ahead and do. So when you look at it, you'll see it exactly as it looks on your syllabus. Um, and including 10 and 11. 10 and 11 are out here. That's at the end. Yep. So everything is right. I just going to move those two things. So that's what I also did. Um, let's see. I reordered ebook. Okay, so I think that's kind of encompasses everything. And in every part, I also renamed them because they had descriptions. And I know because we reordered some of the chapters, they might not be applicable to some of the descriptions. So I moved those as well. If you collapse everything, students will actually see folders down here. And this is essentially a bunch of the hidden activities, but they're going to see 0. So there's nothing for them to see down here. And I will also move this folder down here. So essentially they see the get started that you have here already ready to go, and then the parts, and then they'll be in order of your chapters. So again, I think that I have your pattern after looking at your chapter 1 and 4 that you completed. You may have completed 5 as well, but I believe that was the pattern. Everything due 11:30 on Sundays. Ebook is due a week before the chapter homework. I think I got it all. At any rate, if you go through here again, you can see everything hidden by clicking show on hidden. All of a sudden, everything will pop up that's been hidden when you expand. As you would see, I still have that unlocked, but I just hid it because I think that that's what your intention was. Um, but if I did something that's not correct from what you want, let me know and I can fix it. But I think this video back and forth now would work. So just let me know bullet points of anything that needs to be changed. I just wanted you to know I did uniform everything, but according to what you already did. All right, give me some feedback. Let me know if I'm on the right track. Okay.